Speaking of that, we can talk about that just a hair. I can get on that little soapbox real quick. I always tell you all about buying organic. And the best way to tell that it's organic is because the PLU number will usually start with a 9 and be 5 digits. And so the ones that start with like a 3 or an 8 means genetically modified. But did you know that conventionally grown produce can be genetically modified? And that is because the PLU codes that we use in the United States are not mandated. It's just PLU, do y'all know what that stands for? Price lookup. It's a price lookup code, okay? So it's not mandatory. So something that is genetically modified can begin with a 4, be 4092, and be genetically modified, but can still appear to be conventionally grown, but it's genetically modified. But organic is, until they decide to muddle with that, you can't do that. So all the more reason to buy organic, because you might be buying GMO, especially if it's super cheap and just looking all, yeah, they'll make it very pretty and really cheap. And